स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Writ petition number 514 of 2015 is filed with following prayers para quote B dot. The impugned judgment and order dated 4/9/2009 passed by the learned member of Maharashtra Administrative Tribunal, Aurangabad Bench, Aurangabad, in original application number 1024/1999, may kindly be quashed and set aside, and all the pensionary benefits may be given to the petitioner, by issuing writ against the respondents number 125, by treating the period 13/6/1965 to 29/6/1966 as pensionable period by condoning the broken period in service of the petitioner. Para C dot. The respondents number 125 may kindly be directed or ordered to reconsider the pensionary benefits with all the consequential benefits to the petitioner. Decode para 2 dot. Writ petition number 6146 of 2014 is filed with following prayers para quote B dot. The impugned decision / order bearing outward number pra.ka.na / astha dated 3/4/2013 passed by the respondent number 3, may kindly be quashed and set aside, and the period of petitioner from 13/7/1965 to 29/7/1966 may be treated as service period with continuation for pensionary benefits, by issuing writ against the respondents number 125. Para C dot. The respondents number 125 may kindly be directed or ordered to rectify the mistake committed in service book by the concerned authority, mentioning the issue number 3 in the decision and order dated 3/4/2013, and revises the pay scale benefits may be given for pensionary benefits purposes to the petitioner. Para D dot. The amount recovered by the respondent number 5 against the excess payment of gratuity void letter dated 3/1/2013, may kindly be declared as illegal, by issuing writ against the respondents. Decode para 3 dot. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that, the respondent authorities failed to consider the service period from 13th July, 1965 to 29th July, 1966 of the petitioner for pensionary benefits. It is submitted that, the petitioner was eligible for pensionary benefits even for the service period from 1st August, 1966 to 31st July, 1967. However, the said benefit is denied to the petitioner. It is submitted that, the petitioner joined his service on 13th July, 1965, and he was continued till 29th July, 1966, and the said period has not been taken into account as a service period in service book maintained by the respondent authority concerned. It is submitted that, the petitioner was selected for CTI training at Kanpur, therefore, the period earlier to that required to be considered in service book and seniority list purposes. It is submitted that, the seniority lists were published firstly on 1st January, 1968, and secondly on 1st December, 1972, and thereafter on 18th April, 1983. The employees who are juniors than the petitioner were shown to be a senior wrongly, and the respondents have given them the higher pay scale. It is submitted that, the reasons assigned by the respondent authority in its order dated 3rd April, 2013 are not sustainable. It is submitted that, in view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Indian Bank and others versus N. Venkat Ramani, 2007 ALL SCR 2161, the issue of age broken period for pension benefits deserves to be considered. Stop. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner also placed reliance on the judgment of division bench of this court in writ petition number 4404/2004 in the case of Miss Subhadra Anant Karve versus the state of Maharashtra and others, decided on 23rd August, 2004. Stop. तो दोस्तों ये 115 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो गया है, ठीक है। इसको थोड़ा अलग तरीके से दिए हैं कि इसमें 2 डॉट 3 डॉट मतलब लाइन की, पैराग्राफ्स की जो सीरियल वाइज नंबर होते हैं ना, वो भी हमने डिक्टेट किया है, ठीक है। तो ऐसा भी आइडिया लीजिए और डिक्टेशन कैसी लगी बताइएगा, कैसा लिखा गया। और एग्ज़ाम को बहुत कम दिन बचे हैं, प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से कीजिएगा और अच्छे से एग्ज़ाम दीजिएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सिर्फ 100 या 105 का डिक्टेशन होगा, 105 के अंदर का ही होगा मैक्सिमम, मतलब ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि अभी तक ऐसे ही हुआ है, ठीक है। तो ऑल द बेस्ट, और ऑल द बेस्ट कहते रहेंगे हर वीडियो में। और जिनको डिक्टेशंस आगे कंटिन्यू करनी है या लेनी है, वो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर से कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, बाय बाय।